Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can solve your update error in Mac OS X. So for doing this you just need to try update your Mac manually. So how you can do it? You just need to open Launchpad, go to App Store. So now just wait after App Store will open, and now you just wait some time after it will open new window, and we will go to updates, and also you will try to update your Mac from App Store. So sometimes it helps. If you have some error, you can just click here update, and you can try to update your system from App Store. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.